Reuters, U.S. stocks rose for a sixth straight session on Friday, putting the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq on course for their best week in more than 6 years, strengthening Wall Street. A Euro trademark's pullback after a brutal sell-off earlier this month. The markets gave up a chunk of the gains after U.S. Special Counsel Robert Mueller, a Euro trademark's office said a U.S. federal grand jury indicted 13 Russian nationals and 3 Russian entities accused of interfering with U.S. elections and political processes. Investors' fears of rising inflation and faster interest rate hikes, which had spurred a move from stocks to bonds, have been dulled by optimism over encouraging economic data and corporate reports, while volatility has also remained subdued. The fight back by the stock market has been led by technology stocks, as they have led the rally over the past year. The sector.SPLRCT was up 0.62% Friday, with Apple, AAPLO, Microsoft, MSFTO, and Alphabet, GOOGLO, leading. Euro or Ether are certainly parts of the market that are not hurt by higher rates, and I imagine those stocks to move along. Particularly, technology stocks that not only don't a Euro trademark T have exposure to interest rates but have cash balances, a Euro, said Rick Meckler, president of investment firm Liberty View Capital Management in Jersey City, New Jersey. Economic data also paint a rosy picture. Home building increased to more than a one-year high in January, boosted by strong increases in the construction of single and multifamily housing units. A different report showed import prices jumped last month. At 13:16 p.m. ET, the Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) was up 0.31% at 25,278.45, and the S&P 500 (SPX) rose 0.38% to 2,741.69. The Nasdaq Composite (IXIC) gained 0.22% to 7,272.08. The S&P and the Nasdaq are set for their best week since December 2011, while the Dow is on track for its best week since November 2016. The CBOE Volatility Index (VIX), known as Wall Street Euro trademark's fear gauge, eased to 18.91 points on Friday, way off the 50-point level it hit during the peak of sell-off. On the earnings front, nearly 77% of the S&P 500 companies that have reported fourth-quarter results so far have topped profit estimates, above the 72% average of the past 4 quarters, according to Thomson Reuters data. Coca-Cola, KON, rose more than 1% after the company reported better-than-expected profit and sales as it sold more teas, coffees, and vitamin water. Among the big decliners was Kraft Heinz, KHCO, which dropped 3.7% after the company Euro trademark's quarterly profit and sales missed analysts' Euro trademark estimates. VF Corp, VFCN, fell nearly 10% after the apparel and footwear maker reported quarterly profit and revenue slightly below analysts' Euro trademark estimates. Advancing issues outnumbered decliners on the NYSE by 1,938 to 952. On the Nasdaq, 1,829 issues rose and 1,054 fell.